Hello, Simai, and welcome to Welsh Phrase of the Week. My name's William Hugh and I'm a Welsh learner. Well, this week's phrase will come in very handy if you're learning Welsh because it allows you to ask people what the name of something is in Welsh. So, for example, if you wanted to know what kettle was in Welsh, you would say, Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? Which means, what is kettle in Welsh? Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? Now again, a short form of this you might hear on the streets might be Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? What is kettle in Welsh? And of course you can substitute the word kettle for anything you want to find out. So I'll just say it slower for you to get the pronunciation. Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? Be 'di'r kettle yn Gymraeg? What's kettle in Welsh? Well, that's all for this week. Don't forget to like and share. And I'll see you here next time. Hwyl fawr i chi.